guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video, I'm going to be trying out glitch art. This is a style that I've been wanting to try out for a while, so I'm super excited. So make sure to smash that like button and subscribe, and let's get right into the video. Also guys, make sure to drop a comment down below because I will be doing a Q&A once I hit 100 subscribers. So yeah, make sure to comment down below something and you might be featured in the video.
OPN, bitch, you won't be BN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, and take that high road and hop in.
So the drawing is almost finished. We just got to do some little finalizing with the white gel pen.